All right, so we finally finished up the engine bay. As you can see here, we have the majority of the main panels tacked in, and then we have the two primary panels almost completely welded in. We still have a little bit more welding to do. We have to go over some spots. There's a couple pinholes we have to fill in and kind of get the thing situated, but you can kind of start seeing exactly where this is going and how it's coming together. But for now, we're probably going to wrap it up here today.